Welcome to the lecture on SEO, or search engine optimization for your blog or website. Please listen to my words carefully because this is very, very important. If you want to learn how to promote your website professionally and effectively and on the inexpensive side, you will need to learn from an expert. This is my teacher, Zach Miller. He is on Udemy. And as you see here, there are over 100 students who have earned in excess of $1 million by taking his course. He has over 92,000 students and 79 courses with 3,500 reviews. Now, you don't have to follow in the footsteps of Zach Miller. You can choose your own SEO expert. But what I want you to know is there are people like this on Udemy who will teach you the ins and outs of internet marketing. Now, that's not to say that the internet marketing that is provided in the webinars, the $1,000 courses, etc., are not worthy. But it is to say that if you come to Udemy and you look for the best instructors possible, you will find them. You will find the social proof, you will find the evidence, and you will be elated at how much you will learn about internet marketing. This is the cornerstone and the foundation of your success. You never have to worry about IRS or anyone else thinking or believing that your business venture is a hobby. When you learn how to do it right, when you learn from the best that there is online, you will be amazed at your results. So go on over to Udemy, or you're already there if you're on this course, and you want to put in internet marketing. You want to find the best course available, and you want to take it, you want to stick with it, you want to be consistent, and you want to make it a reality. I'll see you in the next lecture.